Building an electrical panel should be simple, but in reality, you're crimping wires, hand drilling holes, managing giant spreadsheets, scavenging for the right part, and emailing back and forth with the shop just to get it built. So, we made it easier. You can start from a ready-made template, giving you a solid baseline you can tweak instantly. Let's say you need to add a contactor or add a push button to control an AC motor. Our easy-to-navigate library has every part, with technical specs, datasheets, and dimensions right at your fingertips. Once your parts are picked, you can place your DIN rails. Simply snap a component to the rail to mount it. Next, you'll want to plan your wiring. Add wire ducts to keep everything clean, organized, and easy to service. Realize you need more space? Just resize and add a new enclosure in a couple clicks. With built right in your browser, it's quick to size your enclosure as you design. To double check, switch to 3D. Now you can see how everything fits. Spot spacing issues, prevent collisions, and confirm the panel's buildability before you click send. Start wiring the components by simply connecting the relevant terminals. You choose wire types, set labels, and every connection is automatically tracked, making the whole process fast, structured, and easy to follow. When you're ready, click Quote. See an instant price with different options for your budget and use case. No more juggling shopping carts across different suppliers, and no more emailing shops just to hear it's over budget or it's backordered. Once you've accepted our quote, we take it from there. We build, test, and ship your finished panel straight to your front door.